Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Uplabdhi and I'm a fashion graduate. I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, skincare, makeup, and hair. So today I'm going to review this Stays 99 Gloss Lock Intense Color Plus Transfer Proof 2-in-1 liquid lipstick in the shade 03 I Am Bubbly. And I've seen this everywhere. It is so hyped on all the platforms. So I just wanted to see if it's really worth your money or just another overhyped product. Now this lipstick claims to be 9 to 9, like 12 hours, which is a bold claim considering though this is a liquid lipstick but with the gloss. So I was a little skeptical about it. So let's see. I prefer cream lipsticks over liquid lipsticks because I think most of the liquid lipsticks are very heavy and very dry. My lips get really dry really fast. I am going to review this lipstick based on these two factors mainly. It should not be drying and it should feel lightweight. Its MRP on Amazon is 499, but I got this for 370 rupees from Amazon, and I'll insert the picture. Here is the swatch. Like it's brownish pink. Love the color. I have a lot of clothes in this color. Like it's dusty rose. It's more like pinkish brown. Here is how it looks like matte, and here is how it looks like with the gloss. The gloss makes the color a little darker. This is pinkish brown. It with the gloss it looks little reddish brown. Also the lipstick is not at all patchy. Like I hate when liquid lipsticks do that, but this one is not at all patchy. Even on your lips, even the swatches are not patchy. The packaging looks really sleek. I like how cute this packaging looks, and this is frosted glass, so travel friendly. So I prepped my lips using Boroline. Now I have nothing on my lips. I have cooler undertone, neutral cooler undertone. I like that the applicator is very pointed to give that defined cupid bow shape. I also like its smell. It has very subtle smell that gives me nostalgia. My mother used to wear a very light pink liquid lipstick. It was gloss, I think. It has that same smell. I love that nostalgic smell. It is a little bit sticky, but I've just applied it, so I'll let it dry. I do have chapped lips, but it is it does not feel dry yet, and it's been already 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So yeah, now I'll apply the gloss lock. I wish it's my first impression, so I wish it does not transfer and dirty this cute bottle. So this applicator is a brush applicator. Here's the final look. So the gloss is not at all sticky. I hate. I do not wear glosses because they are very sticky generally. But this one is not sticky, not stringy, and I love it. So now I'm going to go to a fair, and there's going to be a lot of sweat, a lot of food, and a lot of fun. It's 7:32 right now, so I'm going to check in later. Let's see how this will survive oily food and a lot of sweat. Like my skin type is also oily to combination, so let's see. It's 11:44 right now, and it's been 4 hours only. So this is how my lipstick looks like after just 4 hours. My lips were already chappy today, so ignore that. But it is gone from inside of my mouth. I had oily food. I had pav bhaji. I had two ice creams. So you can see it is kind of long wearing if you don't eat, but 12 hours is a lot. So of course the person is gonna eat. Um, I like the color though. Also, you'll have to use a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil for this. This won't come off with your regular micellar water. I mean, it might, but it will take a lot of time. I mean, it's not worth it to scrub your lips that much. By the way, I got this from Fair. टिक इसका इसका प्राइस टैग भी लगा है, बट या दिस इज़ व्हाट आई गॉट फ्रॉम फेयर. निकाल लूँगी बाद में. So let's wrap this up. I'll state the pros and the cons. The pros are it has a very lightweight texture. It is pretty comfortable on the lips even with the gloss. And it has really nice pigmentation. And I also like the wand. It is very velvety and pointy. It has decent longevity, it is buildable, and it does not make your lips heavy after reapplication. It is a non transfer formula even with the gloss, and the gloss is really shiny and non sticky and non stringy. So I like that about it. Now, the cons, it is not 9 to 9 lasting. Now, the gloss, of course, fades faster. It is not like a tint, it is not going to leave any tint on your lips. So, of course, the fade is uneven. If you like the shine, you need to retouch the gloss again and again. Also, it has limited shade range. I wanted a nice, subtle, everyday shade, which is not possible. This is, I think, one of the lightest shades they have. It's 03 bubbly. I am bubbly. So 01, 02, and 03, I think, are very light shades, are considered to be light shades for Indian skin tone, but of course it is not inclusive of all the skin tones, come under cool tone very fair category. So of course this is not a nude everyday shade for me. That's it for today. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. It really motivates me. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay confident and keep shining. Till then, bye bye.